Hello everyone, my name is William and welcome back to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Today is the 24th of February 2018. Before today's video, I just want to apologize that I have been inactive on YouTube and Twitter for the past week and a week and a half because, as you know, Chinese New Year and being Chinese, I had a lot of commitments. My relative actually came from overseas to visit as well, so I have to show them around, even interstates. So now I'm back, so hopefully I can upload regularly again and bring you guys up to date with Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space in general. Yeah, so in today's video, I want to talk about, in my opinion, what's going to happen to Bitcoin in the short-term future. As we can see, since the 6th of February, we went on a really nice run after we dipped to around 6,000 mark. And even though we had this really nice uptrend for pretty much 3 weeks now, as soon as we hit the previous downtrend, which started in the middle of December, we retraced back. The reason being is the point here around 11,800, 11,500 to 11,000 to 12,000. That was the retracing 50-day moving average and 100-day moving average for Bitcoin, and there was a lot of resistance cluster at that level. So with the volume, we couldn't break through this level, and since then we have retraced down for a few days now. Yesterday we actually hit around 9,600. That was actually the 0.38 Fibonacci level I drew here. So basically I took between 6,000 and 11,800, this range here, our lowest dip and our recent high. So we had a bounce at 0.38 level. Well, in my opinion, it can totally dip below that yesterday, but yeah, this is a 4-hour chart. If we look at a 4-hour chart yesterday around this time here, just zoom in so you guys can see. So after a downtrend for a day, and then we had this candle here, which formed a really nice hammer candle. So it's a very short-term bullish sign. So after the hammer candle here, we went on the nice run for now. Even though we consolidated a little bit here, that is a spinning top, but we entered around 10,000 and exited around 10,200. So it's not a bearish spinning top. And then we have a nice green candle here, which is going to close in 7 minutes, and it's above the previous 2 candles. So I think for the next few hours, or maybe next 4 to 8 hours, we're going to continue go on a nice little run here. So of course a lot of altcoins will follow Bitcoin's footsteps and go on a little nice run. But what's going to happen after that? Oh, and also you can see here on the 4-hour chart, MACD is about to cross up. So that's a good sign in the very, very short term. And if you look into the daily chart here, as you can see, MACD on daily chart is flattening out on the top. Even though with the RSI we're still very neutral, not even closely to being overbought, but the MACD is flattening out. And of course the two possibilities here. So in my opinion, I think we're probably going to go up to 10,900 again, test the high from 2 days ago, and then I think with the daily chart MACD crossing down, we're probably going to have some selling volume, and this time 0.38 I don't think it's gonna hold. So not financial advice, but in my opinion, at least what I'm gonna do is I'm probably going to sell around 10,900 to 11,000. So again below this downtrend line, and I'm going to put some buy orders in at the 0.5 Fibonacci level, and then I'm going to put some buy order at 0.618, so around 8,900 and around 8,200. That's going to be my next buy orders. If you put the buy orders at 8,900 and it continues to go down, I would not put a stop loss. I will just because I really firmly believe we will have a bounce at this level here. So ladder your buy orders in between this range, 8,200 to 8,900. So that's, in my opinion, what's going to happen. But of course, if we do break through this downtrend line here, I would not buy in, because we have to firstly break through the previous high a few days ago, just below 12,000 at around 11,800. So this is pretty much a very volatile zone. I will not buy in, I will not trade. So if we do break out the previous resistance here, I will probably wait for it to go above 12,100, and I will buy in here, and see if it's gonna break the 13,000 resistance level, which has been our support for a period of time in late January. And if we do break out 13,000, I think we'll be aiming around 17,000. But I really don't think we are going this way. I still think we're going to do another further dip to around the 0.618 level. The reason being is still this is going to be the crossover of the 50-day moving average and 100-day and the previous resistance level. So with basically triple cluster, I think with the current volume it's pretty hard to break out. Yeah, so in my opinion, I would ladder my buy order in between 8,200, maybe between 8,000 to 8,900 level. So hopefully you find today's video helpful, and please give me a like and subscribe if you do. And as I mentioned previously, I will try to upload regularly, and if you want daily Bitcoin and cryptocurrency updates, please follow on my Twitter in the link below, and I will see you guys in my next video.